This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn line charts in Excel. So you can see that we have a table and it contains columns like actually it's a sales figures tables. It's showing with columns like months or starting from the month Jan till August, and different commodities columns like rice, maize, oats, wheat, and the total of sale figure of each and every month or product wise. So for inserting and using a line chart, first we need to go to the insert tab and then we'll select the line chart options. So first we will read the definition, and the definition is insert a line chart. Line charts are used to display trends over time. So we'll click this menu and from here I'm going to select the first one, and you can read the definition as well. Display trend over time, dates, years, or ordered categories. Useful when there are many data points and the order is important. So I'm going to click this 2D line chart, and you can see that here's the box, but it's blank, white, totally white. So I'm going to right click on it and select the data. From here you can see that there are two different sections. The left one is with the legend entries series and the right one with the horizontal category access level. So at this section we're going to select the columnar data, not the horizontal or tabular data, because it says that it contains legend entries. So I'm going to click on this button, add, and from here I'm going to click the series name, since I'm going to select the total values of each and every month. So I'm going to type over here total sales, and we'll select, just raise the series values right from over here, and we'll select this range and then click the OK button. So here I'm gonna add the right side. So the total sales has been selected from the total column in the legend area, and in the horizontal category access levels I'm going to click the edit button, and from here access level range will be from Jan till August, and we'll click the OK. So I'm going to click the OK button. So you can, viewers, you can see that this way I can have a total sales report of the months starting from the month of Jan till August. So there are total 8 months are there, and you can see that the highest value contains in the month of May, the highest sales reported in the month of May. So you can see that the May has the highest peak, the toppest line chart shows the the up and down figures values. With the help of this you can evaluate which month has reported the highest sale figure. So here May has the highest sale figure, so we can easily use the line charts to have the idea without going into the and reading each and every value of the table. We can just have a clear picture of the sales report month wise. The other options is that we can just select the whole table this way and go to the insert tab and select the line chart and select the 2D line chart right from over here. So here you can see that there are so many months are available from Jan to August, total 8 months, and each and every commodity has different line chart. Like you can see that here this light blue shows the total of all the commodities, and the rice has the blue one, maize has the red one, and green has the oat. So you can see the oats has a high in the months of Jan till mid of Feb. You can see that oats has little higher values as compared to all other commodities like maize and rice. So if you go to the oats section, you can see that it has a higher sales figure like 786, 817, 560, which other commodities don't have in the month of Jan Feb. So it's very helpful. and with the help of this you can have a clear picture of your multiple calculations, and can give you a good picture of comparison. And if you want to can select multiple colors options, you have multiple colors, and you can use you can change and select the one of your own choice. Like in this case, I'm going to select this one because it gives a better picture and understanding, like this one, the one that I've selected. And from here you can also change the charts layout, like this way, this way, this way, this way. Multiple options are there, it's up to you whether which one you will want to like. I can see this one is the better one because it gives a better picture, clear picture, and it gives different colors and different months options, and multiple options are there, multiple charts layouts are available. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching.